In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Exness chart. So there's a few things you can do to actually completely reset your chart. So you want to go and first right click anywhere on your chart and click on Reset Chart View. You could also press Alt plus R to achieve this, and when you do it, it's going to reset your chart view, okay? So whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to disappear and there's only the copy button up top. So if I go back or somewhere else on the chart, I could always right click and click on Reset Chart View. That's the first thing you can do. Then the second thing you can do is basically clear the drawings and indicators. So to do this, if I actually put on a drawing really quickly, there we go. It's actually super simple. You can just right click and you can click on Remove Drawing, and there's going to be the number next to it, and then click on Yes, remove them, and you can do the same for indicators and they're going to get removed. Now last but not least, if you have like maybe done some customizations to your chart like I have over here, you can right click, click on Settings, go to the bottom left where it says Template, and you can click on it and click on Apply Defaults. Once you do this, click on OK, and as you can see, there we go. We've successfully reset your Exness chart. So that's how to do this, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.